Hi, I'm Allison, the property manager of Upton Oxmoor. We're excited to introduce a new standard of living, and we're so glad you're here. This is the first video in the Keeping Up with Upton series, and today we're going to share the top 3 aspects of the Upton lifestyle, which are location, our amenities, and living options. Let's get into it. The location here is incredibly unique. You're tucked in the heart of St. Matthews and in a 2-mile radius of Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, the whole restaurant scene, which is unreal, and in between 2 major malls. But as good as all of that sounds, it just gets better when you're home at Upton, where we provide a curated lifestyle through sophisticated amenities. You're gonna love this. Now we're in the Bullitt house. The fitness and wellness center consists of cardio machines, spin bikes, and a full weight room. We also have a yoga studio with an on-site trainer and group classes. Even better. This is Upton's shared workspace. We put a lot of thought into creating an environment that exudes confidence and promotes creativity. This place is sharp. Think of the things you can accomplish here. This space, perfect. Also here in the Bullitt house, we have an amazing saltwater pool, cabanas, outdoor kitchen. Not ready yet, but we're so close. More updates on that coming soon. Then there's the pet spa, bike garage. We have a package handling service, Amazon Hub. When you choose Upton as your new home, we're here to make life easy from day one by offering a complimentary moving service. So helpful. Now we're here in the Leasing Center. I'm going to pull up our interactive site map, which really shows the extent of the development. We have 9 separate houses that surround our 2-level underground parking garage, which is access controlled. We also have 9 unique floor plans that range from studio to townhouses. But what makes our floor plans so special is that we've maximized the livability of the space through natural light, tall ceilings, and expansive views. It's just beautiful. So that's a quick update into Upton Oxmoor. We've still got a lot going on here, but leasing has begun. We even have a building that's fully leased out. So contact the leasing office today. We'd love to have you. See you in the next video.